The EA1600SP 800x1200mm Stadium Perimeter LED screen, part of the EA1600SP series, stands as a testament to cutting-edge technology and innovative design. At the core of its design is the new court base, a groundbreaking element that enhances the stability of the LED screen. Complementing this, the 90-degree upright non-adjustable support frame is strategically engineered to secure the audience's perfect viewing angle. A standout feature is the support frame of the cabinet body, which can be discreetly hidden after being rotated. His design flexibility allows for seamless adjustments, accommodating the dynamic needs. The high-protection chassis panel design takes durability to the next level, providing a shield against external elements. This not only enhances the lifespan of the LED screen but also ensures its performance remains consistent, even in challenging weather conditions. The dual service mode, with both front and rear access for maintenance, is a practical solution aimed at reducing maintenance costs. This design consideration enables efficient servicing without compromising on the quality and performance of the LED screen. The LED panel's easy assembly and disassembly further add to the user-friendly nature of the product, allowing for quick setup and dismantling during events. In a thoughtful move towards athlete safety, the inclusion of a soft mask provides additional protection. In conclusion, the EA1600SP 800x1200mm Stadium Perimeter LED screen from the EA1600SP series embodies a harmonious blend of technological innovation and user-centric design.